Capacity Academy.
Welcome! Today we will be learning about volume and surface area, so let's get started. In detail, we will learn how to find the surface area of a rectangular prism and how it relates to volume. Then we will learn how to find the volume of a cylinder and why it has to be at 4 degrees Celsius. We will then convert each answer we had to a different unit of measurement, like liters and grams. We will have a review towards the end of this tutorial. Surface area. Alright, so the problem we have is to find the surface area of a rectangular prism with the following information. The length of the prism is 23 centimeters, the width is 14 centimeters, and the height is 5 centimeters. The formula to find the surface area of a rectangular prism is width times height plus length times width plus length times height, altogether multiplied by 2. Let's input the information we have. We will use BEDMAS to solve the problem. We will then multiply the numbers in the brackets, so 14 centimeters times 5 centimeters, 23 centimeters by 14 centimeters, and 23 centimeters by 5 centimeters. After multiplying, we will add the three products we have. 70 centimeters plus 322 centimeters equals 392 centimeters. And then in the next step, we add 392 centimeters by 115 centimeters. We will then multiply the product by 2. This equals to 1014 centimeters squared. This is related to volume because surface area is the outside, or the area on the outside, but volume is how much of something can fit inside. Now let's take a look on how to find the volume. Volume. To find the volume, we have one formula for both rectangular prism and cylinder. You probably learned it as length times width times height, but it can also be written as area of base, which is length times width times height. The problem we have here is to find the volume of this cylinder with the measurement. Radius equals 5 centimeters and the height is 18 centimeters. Remember that the radius is halfway through the circle and diameter is 2 times the radius. To find the area of the circle, we use the formula pi r squared, and pi is equal to 3.14. So let's input the information. Remember to use BEDMAS. Since this is in brackets, we will solve the bracket portion. We will use the exponent first, then the multiplication. 5 to the power of 2 is the same as 5 times 5, which equals 25 meters. 3.14 times 25 meters is 78.5 meters. Now we can multiply by the height. 78.5 meters times 18 meters equals 1,413 meters cubed. Converting to different units of measurement. In this tutorial, we will learn how to convert to different units of measurement. To convert to different units of measurements, we need to know the conversions. For example, we know that 1 meter equals 100 centimeters, but how many centimeters are in 1 meter squared? Remember that you basically add 2 zeros each time you're getting greater power. For example, since I know that 1 meter equals 100 centimeters, I know that 1 meter squared equals 10,000 centimeters squared. 1 meter cubed equals 1 million centimeters cubed. Now let's talk about conversion to different units of measurements. 1 centimeter cubed equals to 1 milliliter, which equals to 1 gram. This tells us that 1 decimeter cubed equals to 1 liter and 1 kilogram. And 1 meter cubed equals to 1 kiloliter and 1 ton. Now let's convert the volume to liters. The volume of the cylinder is 1,413 meter cubed. 1 meter cubed equals to 1 kiloliter, so this becomes 1,413 kiloliters. Since we need the answer in liters, we need to multiply by 1,000 because there are 3 spaces from kiloliters to liters, and each space is times 10. This means that there are 1,413,000 liters in the cylinder. How are the concepts related? These concepts are related through one formula. 1 centimeter cubed equals 1 milliliter, which equals 1 gram, because 1 centimeter cubed refers to the volume, and milliliter refers to the capacity, and 1 gram refers to mass.
Created using Powtoon.